Creating a YouTube channel involves several steps, from planning and branding to content creation and optimization. Here's a fully detailed, step-by-step guide to help you create your own YouTube channel. Step 1. Planning and research. Choose your niche. Decide what your channel will be about. Select a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge in, as this will keep you motivated and engaged. Audience research. Understand your target audience. What do they like? What problems can you solve for them? Tailor your content to cater to their interests and needs. Competitor analysis. Research successful channels in your niche. Study their content, format, and engagement strategies to identify what works and how you can differentiate yourself. Step 2. Google account setup. Create a Google account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Google account. This account will be used to manage your YouTube channel. Sign in to YouTube. Visit YouTube and sign in using your Google account. Step 3. Channel creation. Access YouTube Studio. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then click on Your Channel. This will take you to YouTube Studio, where you can manage your channel. Create channel. Click on the Create Channel button and choose between creating a personal channel or using a brand account. A brand account is recommended for businesses and organizations. Step 4. Channel branding. 1. Asterisk channel name and description asterisk. Choose a channel name that reflects your content. Write a compelling channel description that clearly explains what your channel is about. Channel logo and banner. Design a professional logo and banner that visually represent your channel. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Spark if you're not familiar with graphic design. Channel trailer. Create a short video introducing your channel. Explain what viewer can expect and why they should subscribe. Asterisk Step 5. Content creation asterisk. Asterisk video ideas asterisk. Develop a list of video ideas. Plan content that is valuable, entertaining, or informative to your target audience. Asterisk video recording and editing asterisk. Invest in a decent camera and microphone for better video and audio quality. Edit your videos using software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free options like DaVinci Resolve or HitFilm Express. Scripting. Write scripts or outlines for your videos to stay organized and ensure you cover all important points. Step 6. Video optimization. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords for your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Title and thumbnail. Craft attention-grabbing video titles and design custom thumbnails that accurately represent your content. Thumbnails should be visually appealing and clickable. Video description. Write detailed video descriptions that include keywords, a brief summary, and relevant links. Step 7. Uploading and publishing. Upload videos. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button and select Upload Videos. Choose your video file, add a title, description, and tags. Video settings. Set the privacy settings, public, unlisted, or private, choose a category, and add relevant tags. Publish. Once you've filled in all the details, click the Publish button to make your video live. Step 8. Engagement and promotion. Engage with audience, respond to comments and engage with your viewer. Build a community around your channel. Social media promotion. Share your videos on your social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Step 9. Analytics and optimization. YouTube Analytics. Regularly review your YouTube Analytics to track the performance of your videos. Identify what's working and adjust your content strategy accordingly. 2. Optimization. Continuously improve your content based on viewer feedback and analytics data. Experiment with different formats and styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Step 10. Monetization, optional. If your goal is to earn money from your YouTube channel, you can explore the monetization options available. 1. YouTube Partner Program, YPP. To be eligible, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once approved, you can earn money through ads shown on your videos. AdSense setup. Connect your YouTube channel to a Google AdSense account to receive payments. YouTube will guide you through the setup process. Step 11. Consistency and growth. Publish consistently. Stick to a regular upload schedule. Consistency helps build an audience who knows when to expect new content. Collaborations. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help you reach a wider audience and gain credibility. Promotion. Share your videos on relevant online communities, forums, and social media groups. Be respectful and follow community guidelines. Step 12. Community building. Engage with comments. Reply to comments on your videos to foster a sense of community and make your viewer feel valued. Live streams and Q&A. Host live streams or Q&A sessions to interact with your audience in real time. Step 13. Evolution and adaptation. Adapt to feedback. Pay attention to feedback from your viewer. Use constructive criticism to improve your content. Stay updated. Keep up with YouTube trends, algorithm changes, and new features to remain relevant. Step 14. Legal and copyright considerations. Copyrighted content. Use only content that you have the rights to or content that falls under fair use. Be cautious with using copyrighted material. Music and images. If you're using music or images in your videos, make sure to use royalty-free or licensed material. Step 15. Celebrate milestones and reflect. Celebrate subscriber milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements with your audience as you hit subscriber milestones. 2. Self-reflection. Periodically assess your channel's progress. What's working? What could be improved? Adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 16. Data analysis and optimization. YouTube analytics. Regularly review your YouTube analytics to understand which videos perform well and why. Pay attention to metrics like watch time, click-through rate, and audience retention. A/B testing. Experiment with different video styles, thumbnail designs, and titles to see which combinations yield the best results. Step 17. Networking and collaboration. 1. Connect with creators. Attend industry events, workshops, or conferences to network with other creators. Building relationships can lead to collaboration opportunities and cross-promotion. 2. Collaboration strategies. Collaborate with creators who share a similar audience but are not direct competitors. This can introduce your channel to new viewer. Step 18. Continued learning and improvement. 1. Stay updated. YouTube and online content trends are ever evolving. Stay informed about changes in algorithms, best practices, and audience preferences. 2. Feedback loop. Encourage your viewer to provide feedback. Use their input to make informed decisions about your content. Step 19. Long-term branding. 1. Consistent branding. Maintain a consistent visual style, tone, and messaging throughout your channel. This helps viewer recognize and remember your content. 2. Brand growth. As your channel grows, consider expanding your brand beyond YouTube, such as creating a website or engaging on other social media platforms. Step 20. Patience and perseverance. 1. Patience is key. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see rapid growth initially. 2. Overcoming challenges. There will be challenges along the way. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Step 21. Legal and ethical considerations. 1. Content ownership. Ensure that the content you upload is your own or properly licensed. Respect others' intellectual property. 2. Community guidelines. Adhere to YouTube's community guidelines to avoid penalties or content removal. Remember, while these steps provide a comprehensive guide, each creator's journey is unique. What works for one channel might not work exactly the same for another. Be authentic, stay true to your passionate. This is Saurabh Mazumdar signing off. Until next time, do like, share and subscribe my channel for more of such contents.